Kazuki, I'm really tired today.
I don't mind cooking dinner tonight.
Are you sure? Thank you, Kazuki.
Lisa, you always cook meals for me. I should be the one saying thank you. Excuse me. Could you tell me the way to the polling station?
Sure. It's at Yoyogi Junior High School, just around the corner. You can't miss it.
Thanks a lot.
Kathy said, I don't like Ken. What happened between you two, Ken?
Maybe she misunderstood me. I invited both Saki and Kathy to my birthday party, but she thought it was only her.
Dad, I'd like to open a bank account.
Do you have money to save?
Yes, I've saved some money from my part-time job.
Great. I'll show you how to open one.
Hi, Coda. I'm sorry I'm late.
No problem, John. I've just arrived.
Did you order anything?
Not yet.
Okay, I'll order us 2 Cocos. My boss told me to open a ramen shop in Atlanta.
Congratulations, Bill. So, you are leaving for Atlanta?
Yes, I'm just packing my things.
I'll miss you, Bill.
I'll miss you too, Saki.
The outside of our apartment is gray.
That's right. So what?
Our owner plans to paint it pink.
That's wonderful. It will make the building easy to show and find.
Excuse me, sir. We are in line. Could you please line up behind us?
Pardon me.
I mean, we need to keep the line order.
Oh, sorry. The smell of the miso ramen brought me here, and I missed the line.
I love your strawberry cake.
Thank you. Help yourself.
Could you pass me a fork, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thanks. Yum.
Kate, what is Saki doing?
She's talking with her teacher.
What's the matter?
She wasn't paying attention in class.
What was she doing then?
She was reading Metro comic.
I'm in the brass band club.
What prize did you win last year?
We won the silver prize.
What's your goal for this year?
We hope to perform our best and win the gold prize.
Good luck.
We had our first grandchild.
Congratulations.
Thanks. We're going to plant a cherry blossom tree for the baby.
That's called a memorial tree. Your grandchild will always remember you.
Mom, this is Ken, my classmate.
How do you do, Ken? Nice to meet you.
How do you do, Ms. White? Nice to meet you too.
Kate, could you pour the tea for Ken?
Sure, Mom.
John, you can write Japanese characters really well.
Thanks, Hannah. I've been practicing writing them for 10 years.
Why do you do that?
Because it's cool how each part of a kanji has its own meaning.
This shrine is famous for making wishes come true.
I prayed for my daughter to pass her test.
Maybe your wish will come true because you gave a lot of money.
Which do you prefer, country life or city life?
I prefer country life to city life.
I like city life better.
So, we can't live together.
No, I mean I actually prefer country life more.
Bill, could you teach me how to make your miso ramen?
Kosuke, deme desu. Kori wa, kigyohime to death.
Oh, you're really progressing with your Japanese.
Arigat, gozaimasu. But praising me won't make me share the recipe.
Mr. Suzuki, this is Mr. Smith from New Zealand Kiwi Company.
Hello, Mr. Smith. I'd like to thank you for your help in promoting the new project between your company and ours.
I'm glad to hear that. I'll pass along your thanks to our boss.
A big tornado is coming toward our town.
We need to protect ourselves.
Yes. Do we have enough food and drinks?
Yes, and there's enough fuel for the generator in the basement.
Okay, I think we're ready.